guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock a legendary and steal a Brainrot. So the only way to actually unlock legendaries, there are two ways. So one way is just by simply waiting for a legendary to pop up. So it might be a little rare, well, it is a little rare, so it might take a little while, but you can wait for, of course, the legendary to pop up, or what you can do is you can simply steal it from somebody's base. If you see that, like this guy right here, he has a legendary, I could steal it from his base, or what I could do is simply just wait and just buy one normally. But again, people could steal that too, so just be careful. And then yeah, that's basically it. Find a legendary by either waiting for like the conveyor belt, whatever, or you can just steal it from somebody. And yeah, so that is basically it. So that is it for the video. That is how to unlock legendaries and steal a Brainrot. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.